Okay guys, we are going live for the giveaway. Time is 6:17 p.m. Eastern. This is for my MNUM's Labor Day auctions and giveaways. It's been about 2.5 weeks. Still have a few more payments to come in, but I know you guys are good for it, so I am going to run this now. Again, thanks guys. Here we go. There's the name list. There is 1,155 entries this time. About the same each time, I think. Anywhere between 1,100 and 1,200 entries. Yeah, there we go. Almost there. There we go. I can't use verified in the in random.org because it's over 1,000 spots. Anyways, guys, the list is over. Actually, I'll scroll. Let's just scroll down. Sorry, guys, I don't really want to get through there too long. I only have 10 minutes on this thing. Time is 6:18 p.m. Eastern. We're going to random 3 times because that's what Mr. Hodges does in the room. So here we go. First random, guys. So, there we go. Make sure there's 1,155 entries. Again, next one, time 6:18 p.m. Eastern. Here we go. Second random. Down again. Time 6:19 p.m. Eastern. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. There we go. Top 25, I think it was the winners. So, sorry, it should be here. So there's the 25. Now I'm going to go to the prize list. Where's the prize list? There's the prize list. Yep, there's 25. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to random that as well. Put that in there. And time, 6:19 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to random it 3 times as well. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Sorry, their final random 6:20 p.m. Eastern. There we go, 3 times. It's all mixed up. Copy that over. Sorry guys, I shouldn't have opened that. Paste. There we go. So, let's see. Let's make that bigger so we're able to see it. Oh, too big. There we go. So, Sean Noble, you win the 15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 blaster, the shot at McDavid. Jason Carney, the Butch Patrick, best known as Annie Monster Auto 8x10. The COA from David Adams. CJ Gibson, you win the Panini Americana blaster. Craig Mackin, you win the 2017 Upper Deck Then, Now, and Forever 5-packs. Insert and hits ship. Chaps, you win the Don Ross Soccer hits and Soccer Box hits and insert ship if I can fit them in the package. I'm going to try my best, guys. Aaron Antonello, you win the 1458 Upper Deck blaster for hockey. Marty Matan, you won the 16-17 Panini Complete Basketball blaster. Aaron Antonello, you won the Doug Liman Director and Producer autograph 8x10. Craig Mackin, you win the 9900 BAP Memorabilia pack. That's on 9. Number 10, Aaron Antonello, you won the 2017 Journey to Star Wars hanger box. Andy Weiner, you won the 16-17 Complete Blaster, Basketball blaster. Jason Carney, you win the 2015 Strata Football box. Nick Simonelli, you win the Luis Philippe Cote 15-16 Leaf Metal Production Proof. Excuse me. James Hammond, who was just here. I guess you should have waited a bit. You won the 2015 Elite Blaster box. Chaps, you won the other one too, I think. Oh no, you didn't. 2017 Topps WWE, then now forever 10-pack packs. Josh Scotia Dietrich, you won the Optic 2016 Optic Blaster for baseball. Nicholas Bork, you won the 2015 Contenders Blaster for baseball. Aaron Antonello, you won an M-Num pack. I don't remember what's in it, but it's yours. Tim Smith, you won the Don Ross the Rookies Baseball box. Nicholas Bork, you won the 14-15 Series 2 Retail Fat Pack. Aaron Antonello, you won the Don Ross Elite Football Hanger box. Sam Richter, you won the 16-17 Panini Complete Blaster. Marty Martin, you won the 2015 Contenders Baseball Blaster. Joshua Herbst, you won the Liam Murphy 15-16 Leaf Metal Pre-Production Prismatic Green 1/1. And Craig Mackin, you won the Star Wars Rogue One Mission Briefing Blaster. So again, congratulations to all the winners, guys. Again, thanks for participating in the event and picking up some nice auction wins, guys. Okay, time is 6:23 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.